How does severe weather coverage affect your premium? The increasing risk and frequency of severe weather across the country makes specific insurance coverage a smart idea. When considering severe weather coverage for your home, business, or vehicle, take the time to weigh risks and expenses. Go over all your options with a trusted choice independent insurance agent to figure out what works best for you. Severe weather insurance can cover a variety of events, including hurricanes, hail and wind damage, floods, and even wildfires. Flooding is not exclusive to the coast, with a large number of inland rivers predisposed to flooding. Many areas are also threatened by wildfires every year. These disastrous events are not often covered by bare-bones insurance policies. What is your risk for severe weather? Have you considered how much are you willing to increase your monthly premiums to get full coverage? Does your location or homeowner's agreement require you to carry flood insurance or severe weather insurance? A trusted choice independent insurance agent has the in-depth knowledge required to understand premiums, payments, and special coverage types that are unique to you and where you live. Talk with one today to protect your home, auto, or business with the best policy for you. Be independent, go independent.